Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss another optimization technique for your FB ads campaign to generate more sales for your e-commerce website. So in today's video I will let you know how you can create a lookalike audience, and with the help of that you can reach relevant audience and get sales from them. And if you are already running a Facebook campaign and you got sales from them, then you need to use that purchase audience to create your lookalike audience, and then with the help of that you will get more relevant audience, more similar audience who have already purchased from your website, and with the help of that we can increase our overall ROAS. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you. So first of all, as you have seen, we are on the FB ads dashboard, and as you can see, this campaign got a lot of sales. Like, we are already getting a lot of sales from this campaign, but we need to increase it. We need to increase our overall ROAS, and how we can reach a broader relevant audience. And with so to achieve that, we need to create a lookalike audience. Let me show you how to do it. So first of all, you just need to go to the audience section and then click on the audience manager, and once you click on it, it will redirect to the audience manager dashboard of the FB ads account, and here you can easily create lookalike audience. But for creating a lookalike audience, you firstly need to create a custom audience. What is custom audience? Basically, a custom audience is a raw audience which we need to provide FB audience manager, so that they will give us a broader lookalike audience, people who have same interest like the people who have purchased from our website. So first of all, I will click on the create button and create a custom audience. And as we need to create a custom audience for the people who have already purchased from our website, so what I'll do is I will click on the website event button, and then I will click on the next button. And once I click on it, it will ask you which particular pixel you are using. As I am using this pixel, and which particular event, for which particular event you want to create that custom audience. As I want to create the custom audience for the people who have purchased the product, so I will choose here purchase, people who have purchased the product in the last 60 days. So this is the raw audience, this is the custom audience which I will provide to Facebook audience manager, so that they will give us more broader audience who have same interest like these people who have purchased from our website. So I will name it last 60 days purchase audience, and I will name it one. Okay, this is the date. So once I click on it, our custom audience is already created. Our custom audience is created now we need to move forward. Now we need to create a lookalike one. So what I will do is, there are three options come once you create a custom audience. After that you will get three options: create an ad, create another custom audience, and create a lookalike audience. So you need to click on the create a lookalike audience button, and once you click on it, it will redirect you to the particular audience where we need to create the lookalike one. As you can see, we need to create a lookalike audience for US, so you need to add the targeted location here, as I need to create lookalike audience for United States. And this is our audience which we have created, people who have already purchased from our website. This is the audience, and I have give them which particular for which particular country I need that lookalike audience, and this is the size. It's showing 2.8 million people have the same interest for the people who have purchased from our website. So this is the idea which Facebook audience manager give us. It is the estimated audience they will provide us if we create a lookalike audience. So now we just need to click on the lookalike one, and once you click on it, it will show you the lookalike audience. As you can see, lookalike audience last 60 days purchase audience 21,825. So this is the lookalike audience created. And now what we need to do with that, we need to use the same in a separate campaign to get a broader reach. So what I will do is I will create a separate campaign, and I will choose my objective sale because we are running a sale. We need sale from this campaign, and it will redirect me to the campaign level. And after that, you need to set the audience at the ad set level. As you can see, now here we can set our lookalike audience which we need to target for this particular campaign. So now at the ad set level, as you can see, it is already targeted location, but we need to change it. We need to add a custom audience here which we have created, like the lookalike one. So once you choose the custom option, it will give you the lookalike audience which we have already created in the audience manager section. So as you can see, last 60-day purchase, I will choose it, and yeah, I need to run this campaign for USA location. So I will remove all other locations which is already selected. Yeah, that's it. So now we have created an audience. We have set our lookalike audience, people who are have same interest like the people who have purchased from our website. So this is that audience. So I have targeted in the same in the campaign, and we have to use our targeted location as well. And now at the ad level, you can see our ads are already run through catalog. So yeah, everything is set up now. You just need to click on the publish button, and once you publish, click on the publish button, it will publish the campaign. It will take some time. And now, as you can see, our campaign is published now. This is the new sale campaign which is running on the lookalike audience. And yes, now we will get a broader reach. We will get audience who have the same interest like the people who have purchased from our website. So this campaign will show ads to them, and definitely you will get more sales, and it will increase your overall ROI. So this is how we do it. This is how we can optimize our e-commerce campaign with the help of lookalike audience and get more sales. So thank you so much for watching my video. If you have any query or concern regarding the lookalike audience, you can directly contact me to the number flashing on the screen, and you can also comment below the video so that I will take a look, and if you have some query, I will solve it. So thank you so much. Bye.